Panasonic Soundbar HTB150. Main features are Panasonic Soundbar HTB150 is a 2.1-channel soundbar system designed to enhance your TV's audio experience. Audio total output power is 100 watt. Sound modes: music, movie, news. Bass boost, subwoofer, wireless, 55 watt. Audio decoding: Dolby Digital Plus, DTS Digital Surround. Connectivity: HDMI 1 input, ARC optical input 1, analog input 1, 3.5mm, Bluetooth version 5.0. Other features are wall mountable. Chromecast built-in. Dimensions: main unit 762 x 58 by 68 m. Dimensions: subwoofer 150 by 250 by 200 m. Powerful sound: delivers a total output power of 100 W, providing a robust and immersive sound experience. Wireless subwoofer: equipped with a 55 W wireless subwoofer that adds deep bass and enhances the overall audio impact. Sound modes: offers various sound modes, including music, movie, and news, allowing you to optimize the audio for different types of content. HDMI ARC enables easy connection to your TV using a single HDMI cable. Optical input provides an alternative connection option for devices with optical audio output.